Assalamu alaikum, grade 3. How are you boys? Fine. This is the, this is the summary video for today's lesson. So let's start. Before starting the summary video, I told you about the previous thing. Lesson 5.4, testing material. We taught you about how to test the material for making a product. There is an experiment for using different material to check is it waterproof or is they waterproof or no. We are using paper, plastic, metal, as many things we can make, or we can make experiment. And the second one, we are using a different paper to check is it strong if we are putting the heavy load on it. We are already done until here. Today, inshallah, we solve the exercise. Why do the piece of paper or pieces of paper have to be the same size? And this experiment, we are using different different pieces of paper. So why do the pieces of paper have to be the same size? When we are doing any kind of activity, if you are using more than one material, so we need to be sure it all these materials should be with the same size. If we want the fair test, if we want the fair result, so we should use the proper material with the same size. It's no, this paper is smaller and this one is bigger. No. So like this, our result is not accurate. So we are using every time same size paper for the experiment. So we can write here for the fair test. Let's write here for the fair test. To make it a fair test. If you want the accurate and correct answer, so you can use a same size paper. The next question, is a paper a good material for a bag? Is paper a good material for a bag? This paper, or we are using different paper, is it good we are using for a bag? You can write here no, because on if we are using paper bag, first thing it's not strong. It is not strong. And the second, you can say it can get wet. If you're putting anything, maybe it is like water, it fallen down. So your paper destroy. Your paper destroy, and it cannot you cannot put the mass more than half or 1 kg because it's not so strong. Or you cannot say we are putting 2 or 5 kg. No. So if you are comparing paper bag or plastic bag are stronger and you can say waterproof than paper. Plastic bag is stronger and waterproof than paper. So it's not a good choice. We are using paper bag for a heavy product for okay for wetted or heavy product you can say. So you can write here is a paper good material for a bag. Why he says should write the reason. It's upon you. You can write it. So we need to write here. Paper is not stronger, or you can write also like this. bag. Or you can also write like this. You can also write like this. From both, you can write any one line. Okay. Paper is not stronger as compared to a plastic bag, or you can write paper is not an ideal material as, or you can write paper is not ideal as not very strong, as it is not, it isn't very strong. Okay, done. What you have learned in this lesson, in simple objects that need to be waterproof, that need to be waterproof, like you can say paper, sorry, a bag, like you can say umbrella. So what do you think? We are using from paper? No, it's the wrong option. Object you need that need to be waterproof have to made from waterproof material. Waterproof material. So what is waterproof material? You can say plastic. Object that need to be strong have to be made of strong material. Have to be made of strong material. We are not using light material, or you can say weak material for that kind of objects. Okay, boys, after this, then the second thing from activity book I taught you in the class today. Let's solve the exercise. In exercise 5.4, testing material, and this is activity book, page number 30. In this exercise, you will practice draw a bar chart. How long investigate which paper towel was the most absorbent. Draw a bar chart of her result. So let's start. You can see here blue 12. Where is 12? This one. So you can make it here. What about white? White 36. Where is 36? This one. So you can make it like this. And a green 22. 22. So you can make it like this. So you can draw like this as on your activity book. After this, we have the question. Let us see the question. Which paper towel was the most absorbent? Which paper towel was the most absorbent? What do you think? Blue, white paper towel, or green? Which paper towel is the most absorbent? So you can see the big bar. The white paper towel was the most absorbent. So we write here the white paper towel. So we write here, but you can see the white one is bigger. So we can write here white paper towel. So let's write the white paper towel. Okay, boys, take care, finish your classwork. Goodbye, Assalamu alaikum.